just got this brand new uke, which of course is always super exciting. And I thought that maybe you guys would want to take a look at it and help me open up the box. So you can see it's, brand new from Amazon. There's my address. Can't show you my address. But yep, it's unopened. In case you guys are a little trying to see where I live. Oh. So, yep, unopened. Eee, almost dropped it. Unopened. Paper. Terrible throw. And a box. Another box. A box in a box, of course. There's always a box in a box. Nice. Alright. Box in a box. Okay, let's open it up. Well, it's wrapped up in plastic here. Let's get rid of that. Take this rubber band off and tear this plastic open. Oh, it was open on the side. Oh, it's pretty. I really like that look. It's the same kind of look as the... Wait, before you get started, make sure you tune your ukulele. Some paper covering the strings to protect them during shipment. I'm sure it's out of tune. They're always out of tune. I would be very surprised to find an instrument that was in tune. Yes, beautiful baritone ukulele. It's very out of tune. So, let me pause for a second, grab my tuner, and I will tune it up. Be right back. But you probably want to hear it, so let's mess around on it a little bit. See what it sounds like. It sounds really pretty to me. Yeah, I haven't really played anything on it yet. Sounds really good. Sounds really good. I like it. This is a Makala brand, brand ukulele, A baritone ukulele, so of course it's in a different tuning than your standard ukulele. Um, it's the same tuning as the bottom four strings of a guitar. Man, it sounds really good. Okay, so McCullough brand baritone ukulele, different tuning. I don't know what it is. I don't know. D, E, A, D, G. I don't know. Some other tuning. But it's the same bottom four strings of the guitar. Oh, I don't know. You can't really hear that over there. A little bit. And I hit the wrong strings. But yeah, it's got a deeper sound. Bigger body than even the tenor uke that I play. It's more resonant. It sounds like, man, that tone just goes for a long time before it fades away. Yeah, it sounds really nice. Looking at the finish of the uke, it's standard $100 uke. I mean, you can't really complain about it. It's got an end pin to hang a strap, which is great. I miss having a strap. I haven't put one on my actual ukulele, my tenor. It's got some fingerboard markers. It doesn't have one at the third. That's interesting, but I don't know, maybe it doesn't on normal ukuleles either. But there's no flashy embellishments. The top two strings are wound. It's about all I know about it. Open gear tuner says made in China at the top there. It sounds great, and I look forward to playing it. If you're interested in buying a baritone ukulele just like this one, click my Amazon affiliate link in the description. And if you got any questions, I would love to see a comment about what your question is, and also if you have a request on a song or a style or anything about the baritone. I will be doing this in addition to playing my other ukulele with my son.